Hey, good morning. You're seeing the Olight flashlight advertised many different places, and they sent me one out to play with. And I've been messing around about the last 2 weeks. This is a damn nice little flashlight. It's got a magnetic charging base, heavy aluminum case, heavy steel clip. It's got a strobe function on the flashlight. The flashlight has 3 different brightnesses you could set it at. Got a green dot laser pointer, and it's got a UV light that comes in very handy. The UV light I have found when I'm working on a wood project or something like that, I can hit the UV light, shine it across. I can tell if there's still a lot of dust or areas that need some work. It comes in very handy. Now, first thing you want to do is, after you fully charge it, center position is your green dot LED. Works very well, nice, clean, crisp, bright, like an LED laser pointer should be. Okay? Then we get into the flashlight. There's brightness 1, there's brightness 2, there's brightness 3. Oops, went too far. There's 3. So plenty of light. All depends on what you want to get into. You know, you just need a little bit of light to see something, they're fine. Power goes out, you want to walk down the hallway, you don't need all the light running the battery down. You got it. Back to your green light, and there's your UV. You can see how it works. There you have it. Olight LED flashlight, excellent piece, very good quality, well worth the price. Links will be below. Check them out. Get yourself one. You can't go wrong. Nice, compact flashlight. Keep one with you at all times.